Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to add and remove label in Gmail. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also want add and remove label in Gmail, then I'll show you how to do this. First of all, open your Gmail, then select here email, then right click. You can see here so many labels is there: right marks, my file, my folder, social. Select which one you want. For example, I select this one, then click on apply. You can see here right mark label has been added. You can also create it. Right click on this, click on label, then click on create new. For example, my work, then click on create. My work label has been added. If you want to remove, right click on this, click on label, then uncheck this option, then click on apply. Label has been removed. That's it guys. So in this way you add and remove label in Gmail. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.